there is a demand, there is a nudge that the teams arrive to a consensus. The position and the feeling of my team is that we be allowed a chance to choose, and that way democratically, because right from the bottom of the pyramid we have come up through voting. And let us also conclude the county elections under the same category of election without necessarily forcing us to go consensus way. And through that process, the members of delegates and those are behind me will at least get their rightful chance to demonstrate their candidates, and that's what we want to go, so that the process we can conclude saying we won through a fair process. And if you lose through a fair process.